Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and for those who are new, welcome. My name is Aisa if you don't know me, and I'm glad you stumbled upon this channel. If you like this video and would like to continue seeing more of our makeup and hair tutorials, just click the subscribe button down below. So today I decided to do this last minute, New Year's Eve makeup look. I think this is really perfect. It's like it has a pop of color, but it's glam at the same time. So I really like how it turned out, and I hope you guys like how it turned out too. So yeah, it's just gonna be a makeup tutorial, and before I start rambling too much, let's just get into the video. Hey guys, so welcome back. To start, of course, I'm gonna be using my MAC Prep+Prime as always. So, of course, I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. I really love this thing, guys. This is like, I've been using it all week and I've really been liking it. So I'm just using that coral color and correcting my dark spots because I've been breaking out. So the next thing I'll be using is my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the color 340. I'm just going to go ahead and tap that all over my face with a brush, and then I'll be using a beauty blender to like make sure it's like all blended and like really goes like sinks into my skin properly, if you know what I mean. And of course, don't forget to also blend it on your neck, because you don't want, to have two different colors of skin there. So just make sure to blend it on your neck too. Going back into that Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, I'll be using that nude color to highlight on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, underneath my eyes, my cupid's bow area, my chin, and right on my cheeks, but under where I would put my contour. And once that's all blended out, I'm going to go back into that cream contour kit and use the color, I believe this is chocolate, but of course I'll have all the details in the description box. And then I'll just contour my cheeks, my jawline, and my forehead and my nose. So next I'll be using the same powder I always use or that I've been using recently to set all my highlighted areas. I forgot the name, but of course I'll have it in the description box. And just so that I don't look too white or it doesn't leave a white cast, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and this is the one in deep or medium to deep. And yeah, I'll just go over those highlighted areas. So still using that Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, then I'll go over those areas I use to contour with the darker shade, and I'll just set those areas. So the next thing I'll be doing is using this Rimmel London pencil to do my eyebrows. And I know guys, it's really, I don't have that much left, but we're almost at the end, don't worry, we're almost there. So then I just cleaned up my eyebrows using this concealer. If you guys watched my Beauty Era First Impressions video, you would know this concealer, but I'll have it in the description box as always. So moving on to the fun part, I'll be using this full spectrum palette, and I'll be going in with the color Delirious. Now if you watched my previous video, if you haven't yet, go watch it after this one. But I mentioned in that video that it was best to pat the colors with this palette just because it stays better on your eyelid. But yeah, I'll be going in with that palette, which I've really been liking a lot lately, guys. You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball. Once I'm done blending out that color Delirious, I'll go in with Sketch and just pat that on my lid, mostly in the center, but I did not show it, but of course I sprayed my brush with makeup setting spray first. Then I went in with the color Paranoia and just put that mostly in my inner tear duct and my inner corners, and then just adding some a bit on the lid, in the inner part of my lid. And of course I sprayed my brush with some setting spray beforehand to get a better color payoff. And once I'm done, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend, make sure everything is blended. Going in with my mascara, I'm using the Maybelline, the Colossal mascara, the same one I've been using for a while now. And I'm just going to coat my lashes with that mascara. Oh yeah, and I did go ahead and do my eyeliner off camera, guys. Yeah, it's just easier, to be honest. And plus the camera died, so it was easier. Moving on to blush, I'll be using this Duo palette and just kind of lightly putting a bit of blush on my face. And then using this Carli Bybel palette, I'll be using that carrot highlighter and just highlighting my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my forehead, a bit of my cupid's bow, and my chin. And just to add a pop of color, I'll be using that first highlighter and putting that in my inner tear duct. Making sure my lips are moisturized before I move on to the lips. And the next thing I'll be taking is my lip palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills and using that second color and just putting that all over my lips. So I'm gonna go in with that setting spray, which is the Spritz to Fix, and this is the final look. So this is the final look, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the look, and I hope you guys like how it turned out, because I really do. Let me know down below if you decide to recreate this look for New Year's Eve or for any other occasion, to be honest. And also don't forget to follow us on our social medias, and let me know over there too if you decide to recreate the look. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
What else? Your body will kill me. Now, up in every palm bed. Ram town. Now.